This video is to show you what comes in the package for the AUKEY Car Charger. It does have quick charge technology. And I would like to show you some of the features. So this is the charger here. It is compact. It's not too big. It does only have one port, and it does have the Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge. So it does recognize if something can be charged quicker, it has that capability. So just simply plug it in, and you can see it is connected, and I'm at 35%. And the model of this is CC-T12. So it does come with one USB cable with the Type-C for an Apple MacBook Pro. So it's already at 36%. That's how fast it does charge. So again, that's the AUKEY USB car charger with Qualcomm quick charging 3.0 technology. Thank you for watching. Have a nice night.